So 22 by 7 by is 0 is arithmetic exception. Next, next, next. Floating point number by 0 is infinity. Next, minus floating point number by 0 minus infinity. Next, 0 by 0 arithmetic exception. 0.0 by 0, what is that? Nan. Minus 0.0 by 0 also nan. So these are all the points you have to practice in your system. 62. Right. Take all the screenshots and practice in your home. All points about arithmetic operators I have covered. First page, all you taken a screenshot? Third, fourth. Oh my God, अरे यार. 1 second, buddy. Okay. Now take once again. Arithmetic operators 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 7, 8. 9. Okay. Maximum every question, every point I have covered. Now you go through different websites, search their arithmetic operators, interview questions, arithmetic operator, SCJP questions, arithmetic operator, multiple choice questions. Okay. You search like that and you will find several questions and practice. And tell me what is the output of this program. Int m equal to 10 minus 20 by 5 into 4 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2 into 10 into 10 mod 5, and that's all. System dot out dot println m. Tell me what is the output. negative sign to calculate. Positive sign, negative signs you have to consider. But precedence follow, no need to consider negative sign, all the nonsense. Okay, simple you can answer. It's very damn easy. Okay, so this is the story about arithmetic operators, and now is the time we have to move to increment and decrement operators. Okay, increment, decrement operators and remaining operators we'll discuss on Monday. Okay, so tomorrow no class, next class is on Monday. So on arithmetic operators, whatever we have discussed, all points you practice tomorrow. Tomorrow is not rest day, Sunday is not rest day, Sunday is a revision day. If you practice tomorrow class all these arithmetic operators, next coming operators will become damn easy. Clear? Thank you. That's all for the day. See you on Monday.